Hello children, I hope you all are fine. Today's topic, my senses. We can feel the things around with our senses. So today I am here to talk all about sense organs. We'll be talking about sense organs. First I will tell you what are sense organs. Sense organs are those body parts which help us to know the things around us. Sense organs are those body parts which help us to know more about the things around us. And we have 5 sense organs. How many? We have 5 sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, skin, tongue. So we have 5 sense organs. Let us start with eyes. Can you see what is this? What am I holding in my hand? Yes, this is a ball and its shape is round. This is red color, this is yellow, blue, pink, green. How do I know this is round and this is a ball? I can see with my eyes. I can see with my eyes. So I can identify the things by seeing. I can know the colors and its shapes. So we see with our eyes. We see with our eyes. Let's see the second thing. The bell is ringing. The bell is ringing. How do I know? मुझे कैसे पता चला? We can hear with our ears. We can hear with our ears. We can hear soft and loud sounds with our ears. Next is perfume. Remember children, whenever you apply the perfume, you should close your eyes and you should apply it far from your eyes. It smells so nice. How do I know it smells nice? We smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. So I can smell good and bad things with my nose. Next is the skin. Remember, the whole body is covered with skin. Skin is the biggest sense organ in our body. See, you can pinch yours. I am pinching myself. You can also pinch yourself. Can you feel the pain? Yes. So, skin is to feel like this. I am having this cotton here. Cotton is soft. And this is the stone. Stone is hard. This is the cold drink bottle. This is very cold. Same, so I can feel with my skin hard and soft, hot and cold. Last one is our tongue. See here what I am having. I am having a lemon. Let's see how it tastes. The lemon is sour. How do I come to know? मुझे कैसे पता चला? Because we come to know the taste with our tongue. So we taste with our tongue. Lemon is sour, khatta. See here, now I am having a biscuit. Biscuit is very sweet. Biscuit is very sweet. One more thing to taste is popcorn. popcorn is salty. Popcorn is salty. Salty means namkeen. So we can taste with our tongue. So these are our 5 senses. Let us revise once again. We have 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Eyes. Eyes, we see with our eyes. We can see with our eyes. Ears, we hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. Nose, we smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. We can feel with our skin. We can feel with our skin. And the last one is we taste with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. So we taste with our tongue. We have learned so many taste. This is sour. Sour means khatta, ambat, lemon, tamarind, raw mango. These are sour. Next one is sweet. See here the examples: jalebi, cake, lollipop, pastries. These are all sweet. Meetha, gold. And this one is, we have seen salty. So popcorn, finger chips. Salty means namkeen. Spicy means tikha, tikhat. You can see pizza, samosa. These are all spicy items. You can see here medicines, bitter gourd. These are all bitter. Bitter means kadwa. Okay, so we have learned the taste, different taste, that is sour, sweet, salty, spicy and bitter. We can taste the things and we can come to know that how it tastes. We can taste with our tongue. Okay children, that's all for the day. Bye.